Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about HDFC Bank. So most of the people are aware like why I am going to talk about HDFC Bank today. Before last 2 weeks I have given HDFC Bank for a long term investment and the target is done within 2 weeks. And why the target is done? Because of 200 EMA analysis. So as a beginner you should learn like what is 200 EMA and based on that if you take a trade you can become 100% success. So I am going to explain all those things through this video. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. Well, let us come to the topic. So today we are going to explain about HDFC Bank. The first thing we have to see like what is the performance of HDFC Bank today. So the first thing we have to open the HDFC Bank and see like what is the high of today, and it was like 1153, almost 1153 was a high. And what is the target I was given like 2 weeks before? So let us see like what is the target I was given and within how many days the target was hit. So within 2 weeks we could achieve the target. Okay, let us open the YouTube and see like what is the target I was given. So if you go to my YouTube channel, here you can see. So let us see like about HDFC Bank. So here you can see the episode 1 of HDFC Bank. So just click and open and see like. Okay, this is what about HDFC Bank. And let us see the comment. Okay, in the comment I have mentioned clearly like what is the price I was told to buy. Okay, here you can see I told 2 weeks ago I told buy HDFC Bank above 1090 and with a target of 1150, and the target is achieved within 2 weeks. So that is advantage of 200 EMA. So most of the people they normally they go weekend advisories and based on the advisories they trade blindly. So instead of going with an advisories, start learning things. So if you start learning things, you can only become your own boss. Why to go someone who is not knowing you and they will be giving you false calls and you will be entering like bulk calls there and you won't be getting any profit there. So better you start learning by yourself and so always start to learn by your own. So instead of going to any advisory, start learn by yourself so that you can get a good profit. So let me have an analysis on my chart also, like how we can analyze based on 200 EMA and RSI and how we can identify the stock for a long time or a short time. So I am going to explain all those things based on the live chart also. Okay, let me open my chart and I will show you like how things are working out. Okay, let us open the HDFC Bank chart. So this is HDFC Bank chart you can see here. So once you open the chart, the first thing is that you have to set based on 200 EMA and RSI. So this is a long term selection. So you have to select the chart based on that. So the first thing you have to go here as you have to set as a delivery chart. So once you set as a delivery chart, here you have to select as 6 month. Okay, 6 month data we have to analyze. So based on that only we can select the stock for a long time. So once you select the 6 month data, so here you can make it as 1 day. So already it is there 1 day and rest of things you can see here. So the first thing, let me see how an analysis on the graph. Okay, so here you can see I told to buy at 1090 and now you can see this is after 1090 it was like here you can see after July then there times like within this 2 weeks it was giving a good performance. So in between you can see there is like almost 3 to 4 days there is a red candle. So why that is a red candle means because you know like because there was a negative news on HDFC Bank stating that China has withdrawn their investment from HDFC Bank. So that is the reason the HDFC Bank went 1 or 2 days down. But if the stock is crossing 200 EMA, it will perform definitely because we are not going to book the profit within 1 or 2 days. So we are investing for a long time. So that is the reason we can make a good profit. Like if the market is going like individually, like if there is a negative news for 1 or 2 days, so that day market may go down. But if you are looking for a long time, you can book a profit. So that is what happened in HDFC. So if you see like it came back to 200 EMA and again now we can see the candle, how the candle is formed. So like here you can see starting there when we took the entry, like continuously it was like giving a green candle for almost a week, and after that like almost 1 week it was went down and it came to 200 EMA, and now we can see after coming again because of the negative news it touched the 200 EMA and started moving up. So that is the advantage of when you are buying a stock based on 200 EMI. And here the RSI also, RSI 300 also is moving above 50. So there is nothing to worry. So within 1 week or within 1 month or 2 months, you can expect like the HDFC Bank can go more than like 1300 plus also. So this is a good advantage of when you are entering into a market based on 200 EMI and RSI. So like most of the people, they go behind advisories and they simply lose their money. So instead of that, start learning. So this is the stage where you have to learn. So most of the people, they will ask, okay, where I have to invest, so what I have to invest. So a lot of people, they will be like advisories and they will be giving you false information. Like they will be seeing without analyzing data, they will be giving you the information. So why you have to go behind an advisory and waste your money and you have to end up in a loss. So instead of that, start learning. There may be losses. So because you are a beginner, you are learning. So that you try with like maybe 50 shares or 100 shares. So they can start slowly and you can grow such a way. So once if you have a basement, you can only develop by yourself. So this is one of the important thing, like when you are selecting for a long term investment, you should use 200 EMI and RSI. So the graph and other things I will be giving, like how we can set the 200 EMI and what are the procedure for RSI, all those things I will be sharing you in my next videos. Those who want to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Libin Easy, and you can see like lot of videos related to market, and I'll be posting like where we have to invest, like which are the stocks are coming to 200 EMI. So all those things I'll be sharing through my videos. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. So you can kindly subscribe so that you'll be getting notification also. Like kindly subscribe so that only you'll be getting notification. So have a look on my YouTube channel and learn more about market. And in the same way, if those who want to learn more about market, you can visit my WhatsApp group. Here I will be posting like what is the market situation and where you have to invest. So all those things I will be sharing you. So daily basis I will be posting like what is support point, what is resistance point. So all those things I will be sharing. So you can join, either you can join to my WhatsApp group, or in the same way you can join to my Telegram group. So both are same, like the daily basis I will be updating here also. So like whatever things I update in WhatsApp group, I'll be posting in Telegram also. So same group it is there, because WhatsApp group is almost full. If you are not able to join there, you can join to my Telegram group. So hope this topic is very clear, and you can if those who want to learn more about market, you can just contact me, and I'll be sharing you like how to set the 200 EMI and RSI in my next videos. So that it will be very useful for you to take your trade. So don't go behind any advisory. So start learning by yourself, so that only you can become like successful. Like some people can feed you for some time. It's not like most of the people, they think, okay, everything I should get from somebody. It is not the way you have to learn the market. So you have to work hard, then only you can learn the market. So this is what the advice I want to give you. So first thing, start learning things. Like if you are able to spend 1 hour in a day, so that will be good for you, because you are not wasting your time. You are going to learn something new. So this is the way I will be also helping you to learn lot of things from market. So if anyone interested to open account with Angel Broking application, you can open the account through the link I have mentioned here. So the same link I have mentioned in the description as well. In the same way, like a WhatsApp group and my Telegram link also I have given in the description. So you can click on the link and you can join to my group. And those who want to open the account, you can click on the link and you can open the account. Hope this topic is very clear, and if you need any clarification or any support, you can contact me, or you can give a comment so that I will be replying to each comment. In the same way, if you are satisfied with this topic, so kindly like my video, also share to your friends. Kindly subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.